Sterling Chew here. Today we're at the dock in Funter Bay. We traveled from Juneau and we were running into some wind and weather picking up out of the south, so right on our nose, headwinds. And it was looking like it was gonna get rough, so came in here to Funter Bay, just absolutely beautiful. And it did get really rough out there. There are big whitecaps and actually a bit of swell coming into the bay, so. We are gonna go for a little tour of Funter Bay in our skiff here. So we're gonna fire up and untie and get underway. All right, we're gonna fire up and get underway. Take a little skiff ride here around Funter Bay. It's just absolutely beautiful. Everything is very green, the forest. It's still early in the summer, so nothing is dried out yet. It's just absolutely vibrant and beautiful. So we're gonna go around the bay and we're gonna check out some of these beautiful houses that I see around here. Super beautiful houses, and I'm gonna go do a little filming of this beautiful yacht that's anchored up over here on the other side of the bay. So I'll start the tour by going by the dock and showing you my boat and this other yacht that's here at Funter Bay. This is the Aurora Pearl. Beautiful boat. I think it says American Tug. The Aurora Pearl from Orcas Island, Washington. Absolutely gorgeous. There's the Funter Bay dock, and this here is the Sage. This is my 32-foot wooden Harrison Butler cutter that we cruise and travel on. And my name is Sterling Chew, and today we're going to take a tour of Funter Bay. That's Koa and Kaya, by the way. Kaya's the golden. Real pretty house here. See what we find. They won't let me go. The skiff while you're cruising. Normally we just have our little dinghy, you know, and it'll goes 3 knots, the little 2-horse outboard, but this is just, it's so much freedom. It opens up so much more of the bay. It's just awesome. Maybe it is another island. I think it's, look at this, this is so cool. What a great spot. Beautiful beach. Never got to explore Funter Bay like this because we've never towed the skiff with us on the sailboat. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, you know, cruising is really hard to beat. You get a sailboat and you can pretty much just go anywhere you want to go, anywhere by the sea. It's incredible. And no, it's just such a wonderful way to see the world. No roads, no highways. I think it's hard to beat. Okay, well, we got a huge cruise ship going across right there. Mouth of the bay, heading south. And there's all the islands of Funter Bay. It's gonna take us a couple more summers to explore all of them, but I promise we will. It's one of our frequent stops. And then that there is a charter yacht that comes up out of Tenakee. Had a seal or a fish jump or something. Okay. Well, there's our second cove in Funter Bay. We're circumnavigating Funter Bay clockwise today. Now let's keep going. This is going to be fun. The next bay has some really beautiful houses. And then there's some absolutely gorgeous classic yachts anchored up in here this evening as well. Been over here before, but oh my gosh. And they've got this grassy point out here. I just love it. Yeah, it's a little choppy in here for Funter Bay. I'm surprised. Wow, look at that cabin. Cool. Oh, that is so cute. So that cabin is just sitting out on its own little beautiful rocky outcropping with that beautiful grass. God, how do they get it to look like that? Oh my goodness. there's a real nice little power yacht. I'll get the name of them in a minute. Here we're coming out of the Discovery. Wow, I didn't realize they hail out of Juneau. That's so cool. Well, there's the Discovery out of Juneau. It's an absolutely beautiful boat. Beautiful. That's AlaskaCharters.com. Discovery out of Juneau. You can ride that boat. God, what a beauty. Wow, I better give you a view of the bay here. It's blowing 20 knots. I'm actually happy that we're where we're at, tied to the dock. This one's called Gauge Island, like shotgun gauge. G-A-U-G-E, gauge. Yeah, really cool rock. Well, we're gonna let that wind blow us out. We're gonna let that wind blow itself out, and we're gonna let that wind blow itself out, and tomorrow we're heading for Tenakee. We make a video about nearly every single one of our voyages on the Sage, and we make one about almost everything that we do. So please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos about sailing in Alaska, cabin construction in Southeast. Thank you for watching.